So at Evans Transportation, we approach the internship not like typical other 3PL providers, right? It's not your normal internship. The reason being is we're going to put you to work. We provide an internship where you're not just going to go get the donuts. You're not going to get the coffee or the bagels. We've done a lot of work of revamping our onboarding and training, so you're going to get the industry experience. You're going to know how to do the task. We use 3 words: define, demonstrate, and do, revolving around training so that you're comfortable starting out, but as you progress through the summer, winter, wherever your internship lands here at Evans, we're going to put you to work so you kind of graduate almost into a full-time role. What we're really proud about our internship program is a lot of the candidates or the employees that come on with us stick around and they become full-time employees after the fact. 60% of them are full-time employees. We are really excited about that stat. It's all about growth here at Evans. And the past 2 years have certainly kind of proved us blazing our trail here. When you join Evans, we've created a structure that hones into your specific skill set, right? So in an internship, you might find yourself more operationally savvy. Well, go off into the account management path, right? If you're a hunter and aggressive and very competitive, maybe carrier procurement is your path here. So here at Evans, we always are thinking about the future, not only for our business, but your career as well. And another great fact about that is when you're at school, you can still participate with Evans. We're really flexible on schedules around our internships.